So I just got done filming my quick vlog, a quick video for my YouTube channel, kind of diving over the app architecture, which came out yesterday. So today you're watching this, that video came out yesterday. So a quick insight into how I do Vlogmas is I try to record the night before and then I upload the video that night and schedule it for the next day. So I don't know if that's quite in the vein of like what Vlogmas is supposed to be, but it works quite well for me. And I really like it in that case, because then if something were to happen where I didn't quite have a video or I didn't quite have time to record that same day, I don't have to worry about recording, editing a video right in the morning and then having to push it out that day. Now I have done that, like I just did for today, where I recorded yesterday's video the same day. But I usually only do that if it's a completely scripted video and it's not really like a vlog style video. Anyway, that's just like a little behind the scenes on how I handle Vlogmas. So today we're going to do kind of like a day in the life of me, a work from home, like iOS app developer. And today is what kind of day is it? It's a Tuesday. So it's kind of like a meeting day at the same time. And I'm going to explain some of the practices I like to follow. I'm actually starting a new task at work. Obviously, I can't go into too much detail there, but I can give you a little bit of the insight into like how I use Git and stuff like that. So let's turn around and get going. So today I need to actually work on a task that I was assigned a couple weeks ago, but got a little bit distracted based on what we need to ship. It's something I've never done before, and I do a lot more, like in my own personal apps, I've done a lot more like work with UI and stuff like that. And usually these are type of things that I actually try to push off to like a package or something like that, or I've just never had to deal with. But we want to try to create something that's kind of using our own stuff, obviously, because there's a lot of stuff that's unique. So that's what I'm doing today. But apparently we just got a new build that's iOS 16 compatible. So that's actually the first thing I'm going to do before I hop into actually figuring out like what I need to do next. All right, now I'm going to go back and fill in. So I made a bunch of tasks yesterday of what I needed to do, like high-level tasks. Now I'm going to go back and fill in the tasks based on like the different steps that are outlined. And just because it'll help me like it'll help me break down the problem a bit more and help me like figure out what I need to know and what I need to figure out to actually like get this working correctly. All right, so I'm about to hop into a meeting. I'm going to keep it on and we'll just talk after the meeting. But today has been it's a meeting heavy day, which happens on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So part of being on an iOS dev team is you do have pull requests and you have to review those pull requests. So that's what I've been doing for the last like hour or so, just going through, seeing if there's anything I can glaringly see wrong, or like I want to suggest to like make better. And also so that I can suggest and so I can pick up some coding tips as well, some app development tips as well. Because like one of the things that I found really great about being on an iOS dev team, and I'm sure people who are already on an iOS dev team are like, yeah, it makes sense, is that like you get a lot of input about like how to improve your code. And I really like that aspect of it. So I like to also not even just like from people giving input, but like from viewing other people's code, you just get a lot more info than you do just from trying to write your own code, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. I'm going to do another video in the next couple days, I guess this month, talking about like what I like to see in a pull request and how I like to give feedback on my pull requests. So be on the lookout for that. But I'm going to finish that up, and that's it for today. So it's a lot of meetings, lots of code, lots of just stuff like that, taking care of the dogs, getting coffee, all that fun stuff. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.